Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's World. And today we got a freebie for you. This one here is for a limited time offer. So get ready. Here it is. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video. Today I got a couple of watch faces for you all to check out by SMZ. The name of the watch face is called Leopard S 12 hours. Now you get two watch faces. One is 12 hours and the other is 24 hours, but they're pretty much the same watch face. In always on mode, you're going to get the same look for the Gear S3, but it's going to be dimmed down. For the Gear S2, it's going to look a little different, but you'll still be able to see all the important information at a glance. When the watch face is on, it's pretty much like a black and white watch face. At the top, you're going to get the name Leopard. Right up under that, you're going to get your month, your date, and your day. You come down, you get your step status info like floors climbed, heart rate, calories burned, distance walked or ran. You get a nice digital display of your time, dead center. Right up under that, you get what's most important to most people, and that's info on your steps, and you get info on your step goal completed as well. Now, if you come down a little bit further, you will get an animated seconds, and you also can get some shortcuts. You got where you can go into your text messages, send a text message, read a text message, make a phone call. You also get shortcuts around the bezel of the watch, your weather, your schedule, music player. I thought this was pretty decent for a freebie especially, right? And you can customize the color of the shortcuts that's going around the bezel of the watch. Just keep double tapping till you get to the color you like. And once you get there, you're good to go. All right, you all, remember, download right away. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then please make sure you subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.